name is Lillian Okibe. Welcome to episode 23 of Vlogmas. So I'm so excited about this video. You guys can see I have one of my wash day shirts on, so you guys obviously know that today is going to be a wash day. But I'm particularly excited about this video because today I'm going to be trying out a hair mask that God specially told me is awesome. So I'm expecting an amazing result. Like, you guys have no idea. So if you guys want to see what it is I'm going to be trying out and what effect it will have in my hair, then definitely keep on watching. The hair mask I'm going to be using today, I don't know how many of you are Christians, but if you remember that part of the Bible when the children of Israel were leaving Exodus and we're going to the promised land, when God was describing the promised land, God said, I'm taking you to a land that is what? Flowing with milk and honey. So that just goes to tell you that milk and honey, like that combination of milk and honey is like amazing. Even God says that it is amazing, because for God to be describing a land and like to be talking about the land in a positive way, and what he uses to describe is like flowing with milk and honey, there is a lot of milk and honey there. That just goes to show you that milk and honey is an amazing combination. Now I drink milk and honey, like the whole mixture, add milk, add honey, add some water and drink. Like I drink that often and I love the drink. But today, like, I've never actually tried it in my hair, so today I'm going to be using the combination in my hair, and I'm so excited because I feel like it is going to be amazing, because you guys have seen me use milk in my hair before. Like, I've been using milk for a few weeks now and I absolutely love it. You guys know that already. So using milk and honey, I feel like it's going to be so I cannot wait to try it out. So yeah, let's go into it. Now the first thing I'm going to do now is wash my hair. First things first, I'll wet my hair, apply my soap, and you guys know the drill, so let's just do that, okay? So I'm done washing my hair and it's time to apply the hair mask. But first, let's go ahead. I've already done the mask. But first, let me quickly show you guys how I did the mask. So I normally use peak milk, but I don't think it matters the brand of milk that you use. You can use like any milk you have around you. I prefer to use powder milk because I feel like with that you have the freedom to make the mixture as thick as you want. You guys can see me pouring the milk now. I think I poured too much to be honest, but that's because normally I would add this to my DIY deep conditioner, but because I'm using this alone, so I had to use more. Next thing you want to do is add some hot water into the milk just to create like a nice thick paste. You don't want to put too much water, because if you put too much it's going to be very watery and the whole thing will be extra messy. Like, the application process will not be easy at all. So you want to put just a little bit of water. You guys can see the consistency that it is. You can see how thick it is now. So after mixing everything into like a nice smooth consistency, then you go ahead and apply some honey. Now today I'm using pure, organic, unprocessed, unrefined African honey. Yeah, and I went ahead to add 1 spoon. I think I should have added more because I feel like the 1 spoon was not enough, and I kind of think that it affected my result. Like, the honey did not really come out in the mixture. I feel like next time I'm going to add more. But basically this is what it should look like. Like, the honey made it like brownish sort of. This is what the mask looks like. It is very thick. Like, if I turn this upside down, you guys can see like it's not pouring. That's how thick it is. Like, it's a paste, more like a paste, and I made it like this intentionally just so that it will not be so messy. Now for my hair, you guys can see this whitish stuff in my hair. It's not soap. I actually washed my hair properly. This is actually shea butter. Now I understand why my hair like remained moisturized for so long. That's because I had like a lot of shea butter in my hair. You guys know that I usually wash my hair every week, but I've gone like I think 2 weeks or a little bit more since last time I washed my hair or so, I think. But like I've gone over how long I stayed before I washed my hair. And the last time I washed my hair, you guys saw I did not wash my hair properly. Then I went ahead to apply like 2 weeks of application of shea butter. So this is shea butter. This would take a really clarifying shampoo to get rid of, or at least if I use warm water. So like if I press it out, this is just shea butter. So I have like a truckload of shea butter in my hair right now that I've not gotten rid of. But today is not the day that I'm going to do this because my hair is in twists. Like even if I use a clarifying shampoo or I use warm water, I'm not going to do like a good job because my hair is in twists and I'm washing in twists. So I'm just going to ignore all the shea butter I have in my hair, and next week when I wash my hair, that's when I'll do like a thorough clarifying whatever. And I hope that does not affect my results though, because you're going to get best results when you use hair masks on very like freshly washed, completely clean and completely stripped hair. So let me just go ahead and start the application process. So I'll just go ahead and apply, focusing on my ends, and then I gently work my way up to the rest of the hair. Then I'll also be applying on my scalp. Now even though like the whole mixture is thick, as soon as I apply on my hair, like it just melts into my hair. So it's not like having like a sticky, like you guys can see my hand is like, it's not, there's nothing thick on my hand. So like it just melts into my hair in a really nice way. So while I leave the mask in my hair to work, I'm just going to go ahead and make myself a nice milk and honey drink and watch some TV. I'm done rinsing out the hair mask from my hair, and like I expected a lot, and I am not disappointed. Like my hair feels really soft and juicy, like just, and it's also shiny, like it has shine to it. I was actually scared that the fact that I had shea butter in my hair, that it will not like be able to do a good job, but it obviously did. Like this my hair looks really good. Like, you know, when I used the milk that time, I told you guys that my hair felt like even if I do not moisturize, like I'll be fine. That's how my hair feels now. It feels really good now. I don't think it feels different from how it felt when I used just the milk, to be honest. I maybe I'll have to use it again, you know, to know for sure. But like when I used just the milk, it was amazing, and now that I added the honey, like I feel like it has a very, it feels like it has the same results. I'll have to use it again to know for sure, but like but my hair feels amazing. So now I'm just going to go ahead and apply some shea butter on my ends, just only on my ends. You guys can see that the whitish rubbish that I had in my hair is all gone. And now I don't know the science behind that, but anyway. Like now when I press my hair, like there's nothing in my hair, there's no shea butter coming out or anything, even though it looked like I had truckload of shea butter in my hair before. I don't know, but anyway, so I'm just going to go ahead and apply the shea butter on my ends and call it a day. So with that, we've come to the end of this episode of Vlogmas. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys tomorrow in episode 24 of Vlogmas, our season finale, our series finale, our Vlogmas. Okay, no, not our finale, our semi. Anyway, see you guys tomorrow.